Hello, Tony Bear, David is all. I love the playing spot. I love to go to In and Out next to LAX. They have a little park there. You can playing spot. You can even sit on a table and watch the planes go right over your head. It's an amazing spot to relax. You know, people come there with their families. The little park right by In and Out. Very festive. Down the way, there, a cop was murdered, Tommy Scott, years ago. So you kind of feel his spirit. It's a Tommy Scott Square. That's right there. But it's a very relaxing place. It's very soothing. I go there a lot, and it's amazing. So if you ever at LAX, go to In and Out, do some plane spotting, enjoy the food, and soon 7-Eleven is opening up right across the street from In and Out. So it's going to be a great area. So here's my little time and In and Out. Here's the video.